Here's a tutorial on how to connect MOVNORM series monitors to the Canon C400 camera via a wireless Wi-Fi connection. First, set up the camera. Tap the menu to open it. Select Network Settings, then enable the network. Choose New Con, Settings Wizard. Select XC Protocol and click OK. Then select Create New COM Settings and choose Wi-Fi. Select Camera Access Point Mode and Easy Connection, then click on OK to save the communication settings. Next, choose Create New Func Settings and remember the password. Next, begin the operation to connect the monitor. Tap on the monitor screen to bring up the menu. Then click on the camera. Select Wi-Fi to enable it and click on the Add New Device. Choose the local device. Enter the device password correctly and click OK. At this point, the camera will display a verification interface. Select No Auth, General User, and save the connection settings. The monitor will then display a successful connection. In the monitor control panel, click on Record to start or stop the camera recording. Click on Iris to adjust the aperture size. Click on Shutter to adjust the shutter speed. Click on ISO to adjust ISO settings. Click on Focus, and in the AF mode, you can perform touch focus and change the focus frame style. Click on ND to switch the neutral density filter levels. Click on WB to adjust the whittle balance mode. When the white balance is set to the color temperature mode, click on CT to change the color temperature of the image. That's all for Wi-Fi wireless control tutorial for the Canon C400 camera.